What if you could restore your hearing, reduce the ringing in your ears, and enjoy clearer sound every day? Imagine supporting your ear health and improving your hearing naturally. Hi, I'm David, and for over 25 years, I've been researching ways to improve hearing health and reduce tinnitus. Today, I'm excited to introduce Audifort, a powerful supplement designed to support your health, reduce the ringing in your ears, and improve your overall hearing. If you struggle with tinnitus, hearing loss, or constant ringing in your ears, you know how frustrating it can be. Many people suffer from poor hearing and related discomfort, and it can feel like there's no simple solution. But there is a natural way to support your ear health and improve your hearing. Audifort is here to help. This advanced formula works to support ear health, improve hearing clarity, and reduce tinnitus. With its potent blend of natural ingredients, Audifort helps nourish the auditory system and promote better hearing without the need for harsh treatments. And like other supplements, Audifort works from within to enhance ear function and reduce the constant ringing caused by tinnitus. It's made with natural, safe ingredients that target the root causes of hearing discomfort, helping you experience relief and clarity without side effects. Ready to restore your hearing health and reduce tinnitus? Click the link below to try Audifort today and experience the benefits of clearer hearing and better ear health. Thousands of satisfied customers have already experienced the benefits of Audifort. Here's what one of them shared. Since I started using Audifort, the ringing in my ears has reduced significantly, and I can hear more clearly. I feel more confident and at ease, knowing my ear health is supported. Hurry, this exclusive offer is only available for a limited time. Order Audifort today at a special price while supplies last and start experiencing clearer hearing and tinnitus relief now. Imagine living every day without the constant ringing in your ears. With better hearing and improved ear health. With Audifort, you can restore your hearing, reduce tinnitus, and enjoy a higher quality of life. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Audifort. Don't let tinnitus or hearing loss hold you back. Click the link below and start your journey to better ear health and clarity today.